Tonight on The Future of Everything, we've got 3i Atlas updates and maybe even our best shot yet to clearly see the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system.
Think about how different our concept of the universe would be if we could finally see something that could change everything. What if a huge visitor from another star system flew through the night sky above Mars and showed up for the first time in all of its amazing detail? And what if we found evidence deep inside its strange chemistry and strange path that it might not be totally natural at all? 3i Atlas, the third interstellar object ever found, is traveling through our solar system on a journey that is both strange and mysterious. These are the questions that people are asking. For the past few months, astronomers have been working around the clock to measure it, keep track of it, and figure it out. As it passes by Mars right now, a group of orbiters and rovers is getting ready to take the first close-up picture of the planet that people have ever seen. The information gathered from that flyby could lead to some of the most important conversations in the history of astronomy in the near future. Interstellar invader or invader interstellar objects happen very seldom. No one had ever seen one before 2017. That year, scientists found Oumuamua, a cigar-shaped object that was moving very quickly through space. Because of its strange shape, acceleration that isn't caused by gravity, and lack of a regular cometary tail, many experts, including Avi Loeb from Harvard, have said that it might not be a natural event. 2 years later, astronomers found 2I/Borisov, an interstellar comet that looked more like the ones they were used to and released gas and dust in ways they previously knew about. You can now get 3i Atlas. It has quickly set itself apart from its predecessors by being far more confusing, which is a big distinction. From the start, the telescope's pictures showed that there was a hazy tail, but people were most interested in the chemistry. We were surprised to find that it has been losing a lot of nickel instead of making the iron-rich signals we expected. Nickel is found in comets and asteroids, but never at this level. Either the cause of this imbalance is a star nursery that is very different from ours, or it is the consequence of a mechanism that scientists have not yet been able to figure out. The size and weight of it are equally astounding. The first models say that it is roughly 3 miles wide, which is a lot wider than Manhattan, which is only 2 miles wide. Calculating its momentum shows that it weighs at least 33 billion tons. This estimate is on the low side because the item doesn't seem to be recoiling as it moves through space and loses mass. If it is only a lump of ice and rock, it is one of the biggest pieces of space debris ever found. After that, there is the way it goes. The 3i Atlas moves at a speed of about 60 kilometers per second, which is almost 135,000 miles per hour. If it went that fast, it would only take a minute to get from New York to Los Angeles. Astronomers are more interested in this object's path than its total voyage, since it is almost perfectly aligned with the plane of the planets in our solar system. Most comets come in at steep angles, either by crashing into the Oort cloud from far out or by coming in from unexpected directions. People are wondering if the 3i Atlas's orbit is correct. Could natural gravitational interactions have caused it to line up this way? Or does its path suggest that it was planned? Being the last place for people on Mars, this kind of interstellar visitor usually travels quite far, and the only way to see them is with Earth-based telescopes that are stretching the limits of their resolution. This time, though, nature has given us a lucky turn of circumstances. The 3i Atlas won't get very close to Earth. Instead, it will get quite close to Mars, where a small fleet of machines is waiting to watch. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance orbiter uses its high-rise camera to take pictures of the surface of Mars with amazing detail. When it is pointed toward 3i Atlas, it might be able to take pictures with a pixel size that is small enough to see fluctuations in brightness that show surface features. The European Space Agency also runs the Mars Express and ExoMars Trace Gas Orbiter, which are both able to collect data right now. The rovers now on the surface of Mars, Perseverance and Curiosity, are able to make observations even though their sensors are specifically designed to study the red planet itself. The pictures and spectra that come back could show whether the 3i Atlas is covered in ice, has craters on it, or is formed in a way that astronomers don't usually predict. But the wait will be quite short. It takes a long time to send data from Mars to Earth, and the raw photographs have to be processed before they can be made public. During those hours or days of waiting, the world can wonder if we're about to see another comet or something that has never happened before. A piece of history from 1977. The radio signal that was found decades before the object was ever sighted is probably the most interesting part of this story. The most interesting twist doesn't come from the object itself. The Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio picked up a strong, narrow-band burst that lasted for 72 seconds on August 15, 1977. When the printout's intensity shot up to a level much higher than the background noise, the astronomer on duty, Jerry Amon, wrote the now famous word "wow" in the margin. One of the "wow." The signal's mysteries have lasted for almost 50 years. It has never been found again. And even though many searches have been done, there has never been a convincing natural explanation. As an interesting what if, a signal that could have been proof of alien intelligence, it has been a part of scientific history for a long time. Avi Loeb just went back and looked at the coordinates of the explosion that no one could explain. He was shocked to learn that the signal had come from a path that was almost the same as the one that 3I Atlas had just discovered. The alignment is very close to perfect within 9 degrees. The research says that the chances of this kind of match happening by chance are roughly 0.6%. It's even more amazing because the 3I Atlas would have been 3 light days distant in 1977. It was difficult to see this distance since it was so far away, but a transmitter with the strength of a nuclear reactor could have easily made the signal that was found. Loeb doesn't say that he is completely sure. On the other hand, the idea is scary. Could this huge, nickel-rich, and oddly shaped asteroid have once yelled across space in a way that we only heard for a short time? Wow! Signal has been a short message from this passenger while they were on their way. Technology or nature? The simplest answer is that the 3I Atlas is a natural event. It could be a piece of debris that broke apart during the violent birth of another solar system, a frozen shard that floated around for a long time before randomly ending up in our solar system. The nickel fingerprints may indicate the existence of exotic chemistry in its parent system. Nevertheless, the alignment of the nickel could still be attributed to prolonged sequences of gravitational perturbations. On the other hand, the anomalies give us a different way to think. But what if it's not just ice and rock? You could think of it as a relic, a probe, a spacecraft that has been left behind, or some piece of technology that has been left behind. This is a question that has been around for as long as people have been able to think. Just thinking about it is a way to face it. Who could have made it? Do you know what they meant by it? Also, what may it mean if we've already found one of these 3 intergalactic visitors? Loeb has asked the United Nations to set up an international commission so that he can fully study interstellar objects. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory in Chile is set to start its wide-field sky survey, and it's very likely that we'll find dozens, if not hundreds, of new objects. If just one of them is technological, it would change the path of human history forever. The world can't take a breath. As 3I Atlas gets closer to Mars, there is a strong sense of anticipation in the air. Right now, astronomers are fine-tuning their tools. People who write about science are getting ready for some big news. People who dream are wondering if tomorrow will be the day when we finally start to answer the question of whether or not we are the only ones on Earth. We might find a comet with strange chemistry that quietly moves through our system and then disappears back into the dark. This discovery could be shocking because it is so normal. What if it isn't true? What if the pictures make it look like something is fake, angular, or blatantly made? Think for a second that, wow, the signal wasn't just a random event, but the faint echo of a guest who is currently passing by our cosmic door. The truth will come out in due time. In the patient jargon of science, it will come 1 pixel at a time, 1 measurement at a time. It will come, but one thing is already certain. Tomorrow, when our machines on Mars look up, it will be a rare and exciting moment for all of humanity. The universe has sent us a guest from the stars for a short time, and we need to pay attention, watch, and be interested in what they have to say. If we're lucky, we might also learn something that will change our lives forever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.